Welcome, my friends, to a new day, a new video, and a new recipe. Today, Alta as recipe is delicious biscuits. They are delicious with my morning cup of coffee and Nescafe. Always when I wake up early in the morning, I prefer to eat them with my cup of coffee. We need 125 grams of butter, and it is preferable for the butter to be at room temperature. And we also add 90 grams to it of sugar powder, and we start kneading the sugar with the butter until it becomes like that. You saw, then we add 1 egg, then we mix it with the sugar and butter until it resembles cream. Then we add 250 grams of flour to them, and we knead until it becomes a cohesive dough. After that, we cover the dough and put it in the refrigerator for a while. 30 minutes, my friends. Thank you for your interaction in the previous videos and sharing them with your friends. Please write your opinions in the comments, whether they are negative or positive, as this is important. Also, write to me, which country are you watching me from? After completing the process of cooling the dough, we sprinkle a little flour on the table and begin rolling out the dough and shaping it with the shape. You see, then we bring the soft dates and shape them as you saw and put them in the middle of the dough as you see, and we start covering them in this way. My friends, dates are a very useful fruit, and it is preferable to eat them in the morning. They are one of the fruits that contain natural and healthy sugar. My family and I prefer them very much. I have been searching for its benefits in the Google search engine. I found many benefits for it. I think that in Arab and Asian countries they eat it a lot and consider it as a main meal in the morning. Also, it is very delicious with walnuts and nuts. After that, we cut the dough evenly and put it in the oven pan. We bring 1 egg and mix it well and then paint it. It contains pieces of biscuits as you saw, and then we sprinkle white or black sesame on them as desired. My friends, in the baking stage, we need a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius for a period ranging from 17 minutes to 20 minutes. My friends, the smell is delicious and the color is golden and exciting. I hope you can make it in your homes, as it is easy and does not require for a long time. And I think your children will love it very much and would like to take it with them to school. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Write to me in the comments if you like my recipe, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and activate the bell button to receive all new updates. I hope you stay in good health, and I hope have a good day. Thank you for watching the video, and thank you for following as well. I always wish you well. See you in a new recipe and a new video. Bye.